Musumbi William Ruto ni wawetakana oyundesa kuvunzya nzama yake ya maminista atonu kwika mawaliuku mivyani kiwethukanyo kumanwa na kila waweta ni musukumo wa enenthi alamenda waliuku silikali nene isiso ila wathana nukuyitwa isya ometuki. Musumbi Ruto ndini wa uneni wake na nyumba cia unyaicha wa mauvo na itina na enenthi mutandaoni wa X ni walumilia ni ivinda yumwe enenthi ethiwe na wasya ndini wa utongoi wala watangasa kuola budget ya kimanza cha bilioni yana yemwe na miongo muonza na kuvetanga ilovia maofisi na tatu manene kuvunzia mivea menini ya serikali kuungamia mianya ya CAS kati wa mawaliuku angi Benjamin Mwaka no kuelesea.
Amwemba maminista nimethwa maikwato vucho hetino wa President William Ruto kutangaza kwao yuva itondeka kuvunzia nzama yake ya maminista. Ateo President ndunonenanya na enenthi mutandaoni wa X kikalokela kiusie mutia mwingi nwalasmika kwitikilana na enenthi kana nukwenu cha musiamwe ma minister make ondumwe na kuola mivya yake iseso ila wendeka athikalile.
I've seen people saying or asking you rather to don't reshuffle the cabinets or the CS moving from the one ministry to the other. You've seen that one before. What you are seeing is just transferring competence in one field to another department or another ministry. Can you just bring us new people that are going to work?
I know what is cutting. I know what's going on. And I have promised that I will be making changes. I know you have said that I should not make changes. I should clean the slate clean. But you see, you don't have the job I have. And there are many things that I have to do to be able to get things done. And it's quite something. But I have heard you, and I have heard the many Kenyans who have talked on this platform. And I'm very happy that we are having this conversation on X.
Vumbeni mbinu nenu wake kwa ndi President William Ruto nutangasia kuola budget ya mwaka huu kwa shilingi bilioni ya naimwe na miongo muonza itambila viuka na matambia memwana takuvetanga budget sionthe lena wathiwa maofisi ma muka wake muka wa munini wa President wa mwana ofisi wa muka wa munini wa maminista ingi nuongamie tambia ona yimwe ya kuthukumithia maofisi ma CAS vamwena kuola hata imake kwa kilungu cha miongo 5 yuluariana.
The following action shall be taken with immediate effect towards the realization of the new budget. 47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved. The decision to fill the position of chief administrative secretaries is hereby suspended. The number of advisors in government shall be reduced by 50% within the public service with immediate effect. Budget lines providing for the operations of the office of the First Lady, the spouse of the Deputy President, and the Prime Cabinet Secretary will be removed.
Na tanzenge ya kuolovine kukula kui enenthi mivia minini ya serikali miongona na muonza ni kuvunzwa bala ingi athukumi yumendeka mathiumwe ya ewia mavita miaka miongo 6 President Ruto aitangasa kana nuseusi nzama yimwana ya kukunikila mathie manthi.
Henceforth, public servants who attain the retirement age of 60 shall be required to immediately proceed on retirement with no extensions to their tenure of service whatsoever. I have today appointed an independent task force to carry out a comprehensive forensic audit of our public debt and report to us in the next 3 months. No state officer or public servant shall participate in public contributions or haramphase going forward.
Uneni wa President ni wakathiwa ni ndongo ikivathukanyo hevo muyumbe wa mwala na ula ingi nowe mwandiki mukwata nthi wa chama cha UDA Engineer Vincent Musyoka Kwaya ulwaweta moloto wa musumbiwe na kilelo cha kuthesya utongo wa nthi na mitumile ilovia sia mwene nthi undumwe na kukutana ulusani bamwe na kuikithia vayingwa muvango ono mwa serikali wa kimaendeleo unakwama
na vesi ndo imwe honestly si fit into that. Kwa mfano nituthi tuna a lot of duplications. Unaona president anasiaka kanave na 47 parastotals with the Iran and its independent unit ikuya a lot of money when some of the services it on the collapse weke than is handled within one ministry. Either there is a huge saving. Makanisa nimedha also maenda support ya Atongwe. Lakini neba bikito bandu kesa kwethia athukumia mama serikali. Kwethia muthukumi wa serikali ukothi bandu akaunya mbesa tiundu wa kunya ngoni yake kana kutethia, lakini ni kwa kuionenia kana ena mbesa mbingi muno. Na ndo aswa moisa kwethia mundu usu wa mulilia ebindo inini ebetukundei na mbesa alikile bandu vemo bya wa serikali either national government kana county government atendu lulu na ndatika ile itatu ni wakita mazumba manene na nusu inengana milioni 5 milioni muima makanisani na hizo ya nendo nimekukulia mbesa isi umaba na hiyo become competition uithia kila mundu meenda kuya muno kenda wisekithia nimeona nya undu mekunya mbesa mbingi, lakini uithia mbesa isi nitasia kuendea na encourage maundu ma corruption
vilingwa mauvo kuma musini wa Ilovi nye nito Benjamin na Mwaka.